I have new clothes to try on today, 3 thrift stores to judge aggressively, and cookie dough waiting for me once the day is over as reward for finally learning how to drive in Houston, baby. Commence kindly sent me a few pieces, and honestly this has got to be the most me clothing lineup I have gotten in a while. Everything in this world lines up as it should. Literally a few weeks ago my BFF was just raving to me about this exact brand, and then I see an email from them not too long after that. Everything is black, chic, and looked like something out of an old money Pinterest board, which is exactly my aesthetic. These pants giving Tokyo it girl, like those 2 tops and that skirt, they are literally giving like dark feminine. I love it. There is no doubt in my mind that these pants are going to become my literal daily essential pants. Like I'm going to wear them every single day. And this outfit makes me feel like I should literally be carrying an iced coffee and ignoring everyone's texts. Like, look at this camisole. The embroidered like lacy design that it has going on, literally a chef's kiss. Houston is extra hot today, so I wanted to wear the scarf top and then some shorts and then my cute YSL bag. I haven't even explored 1% of Houston's thrift stores yet, so naturally I decided that today was going to be the day where I got at least, I don't know, 2% done, 3. But anyways, honestly, Uptown Cheapskate like felt less like thrifting and more like I was entering like the natural habitat of like the coolest Depop girls. I know you know what I mean. Anyways, when I'm in the dressing room, I really like to play this game called burn or buy. And I feel like that's self-explanatory, right? Because I either want to buy something or I want to burn it because it is absolutely hideous and like the designers had no concept of the women body. So, you know, burn or buy. I either want to buy it or I don't. These shorts right here were a conundrum, okay? Because I play my little game. I play my buy or burn game. But these specifically, yep, they were a burn. We also need to talk about how I literally found a Helmut Lang top for like $9 and it turned out to be like 3 after a discount. Oh, and it's beautiful. You know, this baby was absolutely coming home with me. But this dress, terrible. I hope it burns in hell. It was horrible. Any shopping trip that lasts more than 30 minutes is considered cardio. So we need to go get food afterwards, and Willie's is actually really good. Like, look at my tacos. I'm gonna save you the time right now. Family thrift is not it. It is literally not it. It felt chaotic in the worst ways possible. Nothing was labeled. Nothing was organized. The only thing that saved my experience there was talking to 2 sweet older ladies because they loved my tabbies, and one of them like searched them up and we started talking about velvet tabbies. That was the highlight of family thrift. And I hate to say it, I hate to say that my boyfriend was right, but family thrift sucked. There were like a few cute pieces. They were less than the 5 fingers on my hand. And you know what? There is never a normal Goodwill experience. Like, you either hit a jackpot day there or you literally leave emotionally defeated. Today was an emotionally defeated day. I found like cute tableware, like cute little cats and whatnot, but like no clothes. And this place was so small, like I picked the wrong one, obviously. Somehow we ended up at Daiso, which is dangerous because I suddenly convinced myself that I need every cute thing in there, which, let's be honest, is legitimately the entire store. My girl brain, it goes crazy inside of a Daiso. Like, they have houseware, they have snacks, they have stationery, and it's all in one place. Like, my brain could never be any happier. This place is so cheap. It is literally my Dollar Tree. After a long day of emotional turmoil, I feel like cookies can always solve the day. So I made a bunch of tiny little M&M and chocolate chip cookies. A full day of cute clothes, thrift stores, and little tiny treats. Honestly, it's all I need.